Hello beautiful world, my name is PrincessKatey and I welcome you to today's Goddess Provisions unboxing. Once a month I receive a Goddess Provisions box at my door for the goddess within me. I am not sponsored, this was a graduation gift and I absolutely love opening my box up every month. The box is filled with vegan and cruelty-free, high-vibe lifestyle goods. The last time I made one of these videos, I used a knife to open the box. So I think I wanna do that again. Where's our tape at? I'm excited to see what's in the box this month. It is June 2019, and I will give you guys the first peek in the box. Let me make sure I'm not dumping it. What's in the box? I can kind of see now. I kind of peeked. So I wonder how your spring has been going, guys. Is everybody having just the most beautiful 2019? I really hope you are. So I'm going to go with the first thing that I saw. Ooh. Tea Pigs. Tea Pigs. Happy Herbal Tea with lemon balm. Oh, that's so cool. I just watched a video last night about how to make honey medicine out of lemon balm. Shout out to Roots and Refuge Farm. This is organic. What's special about this tea? Roller coasters, hot air balloons, kites, and pandas. According to Team, tea pigs are the things that make us happy. If you don't have a kite or a panda, try this uplifting blend of turmeric, apple, and lemon balm. Oh, it says it's good if you're grumpy. And that's cool because I learned last night that lemon balm has some anti-anxiety properties. So it says if you're feeling a little grumpy to use this tea. I'm excited about that. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. What is next in our box? I'm rocking a summertime dress. Can you guys see that? It's pretty hot out. I'm rocking it. I'm killing it out there. It's tattoo season where everyone's like, hey girl, I really like your tattoo. Okay, what is next in my box this month? I don't know what to pick. I kind of want to do the stone. I think it's a stone. Okay. I believe this is honey calcite. Let me open it up. Yes, that is. I believe this is honey calcite. Pretty cool. I think I have like maybe a small piece of this, but this might be one of my first pieces of honey calcite. Calcite comes in lots of different colors. There's green, there's tangerine, and there's this honey color. So cool. I love adding specimens to our rock collection. Okay, what is next in this box? Ooh, what is this? Solar Mineral Sunscreen. That's pretty cool. I have that white skin that burns very easily, so sunscreen's what's up. Let's see what's in it. Zinc oxide, 10%. That's actually really, really good. So zinc is great for your skin. It protects you from the sun. Also, it's great for wound healing. Okay, so this is Solar Mineral Sunscreen for all skin types. Argan and Menorah is the name of the brand. It is vitamin-rich, moisturizing formula, and it is fragrance-free. SPF 30, broad spectrum. That's pretty good. Usually I like to use 50, but it is vegan, soy-free, alcohol-free, pH balanced, biodegradable, and formulated with organic ingredients. I'm really excited to give this a try. I wasn't expecting something like that in a box, but it makes sense. You know, people rocking their dresses, showing all their skin, they're gonna be getting hit by sun, and my family, skin cancer runs in the family, and I'm a nurse, and I should be smart enough to protect my skin. So thank you, Goddess Provisions, for an awesome little addition to my skincare routine. What is next in the box? I feel like I say that every time, but that's okay. There's something in a baggie. Okay. And it says charged on the front of it. Can you see that? It's a little bit shimmery. It says charged. Okay. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, a bracelet. Ooh. This is nice. It's Amazonite. Charge your peace. Wear this stone for balance, stability, and inner peace. And it's Amazonite. Oh, cool. Look, it has a little gold cross. Oh, I like it. Let's see. Am I beautiful? Amazonite. Selfies. I think it's better that way. I like it. It's very cool. I don't wear super a lot of bracelets, but I do like it. I would like to be still and peaceful and see if Amazonite really does help to calm and bring that inner peace. This is awesome. I like the little baggie. Okay. What's next in the box? What's this? Wish paper. I'm gonna have to open up this wish paper and see what this is about. It says, I don't know, let me open it up. Flying wish paper mini kits. Oh, and I guess these are the other things. You can see a demo on their website. I'm gonna have to read the directions. And it came with like this really cool little golden pencil. Okay, what does it say? Flying wish paper instructions. Write it. Think of a special wish, your biggest dream, your deepest desires, your ambitions, concerns or burdens, and write it down on the flying wish paper. You can use the wish platform as a flat surface underneath your paper as you write your wish. Focus on your wish as you roll the flying wish paper into a tight ball about the size of a marble. And then you want to light it. Gently unwrap and smooth the paper. It should be crinkly but flat. Now, shape the paper into a tube by wrapping it around your index finger. Stand the tube upright on the wish platform and touch a match to the top of the edge. Don't blow your match in the direction of your tube and watch it fly. After you light the paper, your wish is quickly consumed into a small, beautiful flame. At last, your wish magically lifts off the platform and rises to the heavens. That's pretty cool. I really like that. I think I would like to try that at this music festival that I host a theme camp at. It's called Big Dub. But I think that's something that would be cool to bring there, and maybe with like my group members write some wishes on here. Thank you. This is very interesting. Not something I would purchase personally, but since I have one, I am going to use it and I'm going to enjoy it and make the most out of it. So thank you, Goddess Provisions, for a new activity to do within my theme camp. We are called the Happy Hippies, by the way. And what we do is we set up a huge living room in the middle of the forest. And we have couches and lamps and end tables. And I host a Chakra 101 seminar. And this year I am bringing something new to the table. This year I am hosting a Crystal Moon Magic Workshop where we will be playing hands-on with different crystal specimens and learning all the phases of the moon. We also do something called the Rave Police. Me and my girlfriend Erica, we dress up like cute little cops and we go around writing rave tickets to people who are just too damn cool. It's a way to spread positivity, and that's enough about Big Dub. But if you can't tell, I'm excited about Big Dub. What's next in the box? Oh, my hair's stuck. Energized Glow Turmeric Spice Facial Mask. Turmeric, watermelon, and green tea. Vegan, cruelty-free. It is one single-use natural fiber sheet mask. Radiate your light. That's pretty cool. So that's the second thing I've seen turmeric in today. Maybe that's a theme. Oh, I see something really cool in the bottom of the box. I'm really excited. Yeah, so far, this made me really excited, and what I just looked down and saw, face masks. I'm not really a face mask kind of gal, but I have it. I will use it, but I wouldn't buy it again. Okay, I'm so excited about what I see in the bottom of this. Ooh, magic. Astrological Pocket Planner. Half year 2019. We are halfway through 2019. Guys, that's crazy. This is so cool though. I love it. I love the snake eating itself, the eye in the middle. I just really love this. I kind of want to open it right now. Where's my shanker? I don't want to like hurt it. I don't want to cut it. It's so cool. I like little books. I like to write things down. I like to be organized. So books are awesome. Ooh. How to use this pocket planner. I ain't gonna read the whole thing, but the magic of incarnation. From the gates of heaven, you pour forth into the world, infused with the 4 elements. You are incarnated through the 7 seas of stars, rippling through space on a great wheel of time, a new soul cycle. Oh, I like it. It's poetic. You carry with you all knowledge. You are always connected to the great mystery. The stars and planets give you a name. Your blueprint is your compass. Time itself is your child. Wow, it's pretty cool. Oh, this is really cool. Has all the 2019 moon phases in it. All of the full moon dates. And it starts from June 2019. So this is a midway calendar. That's so cool. I've never even thought of that. Oh, this is really neat. So I actually have a giant calendar on my wall that tells me what the moon is doing each night. But this may even go a little bit further. I'm gonna have to study this more, but this makes me super happy. I like to geek out on astrology things, moon things, crystal things, and it's like there's you can plan weekly goals in here, actionable steps. So you write down what actions you actually took. I really like it. I think this tells you what each planet is actually doing. This is so cool, Goddess Provisions. Who created this? magicofeye.com. Thank you, Magic of Eye. Totally awesome. Totally awesome, dude. Okay, that was the last thing. I think they saved the best for last. I really like that. That and the sunscreen I am super happy about. Okay, now that I don't need the desk, I can sit back slightly. And this month's artwork is beautiful. That's very nice. What does it say? The monthly mantra for June 2019. In this season of sunlight, I cherish my own radiance and share it freely with others. The Magic of Eye 6-month planner. We just went over that. I love that product so much. It's a tool to sync your schedule with the energy of the cosmos. That's partially what my Crystal Moon Magic workshop is about. It's about using the phases of the moon to aid you in what you're going through in life in that moment. Next we have the Flying Wish Paper Wish Kit. That was an item I told you I wouldn't necessarily buy it, but I'm going to use it as an activity with my camp, and I'm really excited for that. Next is the Charged Amazonite Bracelet. It has been energetically charged with spiritual vortexes in Sedona, Arizona. Next was the Tea Pigs Happy Tea. The summertime solstice is universally celebrated in community with feasts, bonfires, picnics, and song. Is it that time already? Is it June? Yeah, June 21st. Gemini, then Cancer. Oh my God, it's almost time for the summer solstice. Super excited. Next was the Nakia Natural Solar Mineral Sunscreen or Gratitude Serum. Oh, so you could get like 1 or 2 things with this one. Well, I'm really happy that I got the sunscreen. Enjoy the longest days of our year knowing your skin is well cared for. The other one was a rich serum that has counter effects of sun exposure. I'm so happy I actually got the zinc. To me, as a nurse, zinc is something I use on my patient's skin. It's something that I use on my own skin to protect me from the sun. Pretty excited by that. Then there was the Pacifica Energize Glow Face Mask. I told you that had the turmeric and the watermelon and the green tea. Not something I would purchase on my own, but I'm kind of excited to see how it feels. Oh, and this is actually orange calcite and not honey calcite. Maybe you could see the picture. It looks so much more orange in the picture than it really is. That's why I thought this was a honey calcite, but either way, it is a calcite. Ancient European cultures understood magic to be strongest during the summer solstice. I agree. 3 years ago on the summer solstice, me and my boyfriend saw UFOs in the sky for the first time together. So I always think what a magical time all the solstices and equinoxes are. Carry this luminous stone with you to enhance feelings of joy, confidence, creativity, and to help you integrate the spiritual realm into your physical realm. I just want to thank you, Goddess Provisions, so much for this awesome box. It has been so much fun opening these boxes on camera and seeing all the little goodies that I get each month. If you're not already a subscriber and you enjoy this content, please subscribe, and I want to thank you so much for watching.